How to request admin access to a Facebook business page. If any day you would like to request an admin access to your Facebook business page, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Facebook for a while. After you tap on Facebook for a while, your Facebook page will be launched. Now you have to go to the profile section on the top right. You have to tap on the profile section on the top right. After you tap on profile section on the top right, you can see a screen like this. Now you have to tap on your profile there. When you tap on your profile there, you can see the options of add story and manage. Now you have to go to the option of manage and tap on the option of manage. When you tap on the option of manage, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of page access, and when you find the option of page access, you have to tap on the option of page access. And when you tap on the option of page access, you can see the option of people with Facebook access and people with task access. Now you have to go to the option of people with Facebook access and go to the option of next. Now in the search icon, you have to search the person by name or the email address whom you want to add and whom you want to request to have Facebook access to. Now after searching the very person, you have to find the very person, and if you find the very person, you have to tap on the name of the person and you have to tap on the option of allow this person to have full control. You have to allow it and go to the option of give access. After you go to the option of give access, now you have to tap your profile password there and go to the option of confirm. After you that, a very request will be sent to the person there, and if the person will accept it, the person will have admin access to your Facebook page. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.